What's up, Flip fam? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, we still have this house. It is back on the market. The last deal fell through and it has sat for a little bit, so we're gonna use that as an opportunity to give you some tips and tricks on what to do when your house isn't moving. Kayla is inside right now staging and... Hello? Yeah, cool. Just have them send it over. Cash? Yes. Yeah. Oh, okay, cool, I'll let her know. Yeah, all right. Okay, bye. Huh. Hey, babe!
What?
We sold the house!
What?
Look!
Cool.
So what do we do now?
Whatever we want.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up.
Maybe we should just invest the money in another house.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Yes, so we did accept another offer on this house, and it was a cash offer, which is amazing because it means you get to skip all the closing process and it just speeds everything up.
Yeah, all that's left to do is just a little bit of baseboard upstairs in the bathroom, and then we have to do some maintenance to the septic tank.
I didn't even know we had a septic tank. Normally it would be a pretty crappy job. No, it's not that big of a deal. Somebody comes out, it's a couple $100, they take care of it. The only issue is we have to find it.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Why don't you just call the health department and get a map just so that you know exactly where it's at?
I've got the map that they sent us from the health department, and I'm trying to locate the septic tank on the plat, and it's a little difficult. Well, because either this is how they did maps in 1940, or Karen doesn't know how to use a scanner, and she thinks that this is acceptable. Can you read Pepper? I don't know. Where's it at? You think it's maybe here, or in this black spot over here? Who knows? So I guess we're just gonna have to go make a random assortment of holes in our yard and hopefully we get lucky. You see, perception is everything. So I could look at this like I'm wasting a weekend to dig around in our yard and find some ancient poop tank, but that's the only thing stopping us from selling this house. So instead, I'm gonna go full pirate, baby. We've got buried treasure out there, and we've got an ancient map to help us find it.
Cue the adventure music.
This is the drain pipe. So that means it should be going this direction. Walk over here to the window past the old creepy dartboard. That means somewhere out there.
So we gave up on trying to read the map. So we decided to bring the image back, put it in Photoshop, try to lighten it up a little bit to see if it would help us better see the image.
I think we've got something maybe. So looking at it this way, this is the street, this would be the house, so I'm assuming the septic tank is here. I don't know, I still can't read any of the text, but that would make sense because that seems to be the direction the drain pipes are pointing. Okay, so after looking at it in Photoshop, I'm guessing it's 37 feet from the back of the house. So, what is that, like 13 paces?
12,
13. So it should be right here-ish. Okay, let's get to digging.
Well, it wasn't here, and it's not here. So where could it be?
Yeah, I really hope it's not this deep. Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and say, it's not here.
Okay, we are trying a different method. We've got another stake back here. So the map said that we could go 67 feet from this direction, possibly. So we're gonna try that. Here we go. 10, 11.
So 23, and then move it in line. There's kind of a dip right here.
Okay, we are trying our third attempt
Yeah.
at finding the
If anybody's wondering, this thing, it's called a slate bar according to all old people. Most old people have one of these that kind of looks like a spear. But yeah, you basically just pick it up, chuck it into the ground, and it's a little easier than using a shovel. Not easy, but easier. Okay. Okay.
Spot number 4.
They're gonna think they have a badass gopher problem.
Spot number 5. Here we go. And now we're counting again. Gonna be it. This is good. Spot number 6. Did I hear something? Did I hear something? No, it's just rattling. We have come closer to the house, and we're moving on back.
Oh. Did we hit pay dirt? Oh yeah! Yeah! I think so.
I think we found the top. We found it.
Okay. All right. Some people go looking for buried treasure. We found ours. It just happened to be a nasty, old, ancient septic tank. All right, so that means that's pretty much everything that was holding us back from selling this house, so it should go through, and then we can move on to the next project. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and other than that, we will catch you on the flip side. Bye. Hey, babe! You're always getting hurt. Look at this.
Oh, I'm bleeding.
Okay, I shouldn't laugh, but it was just the screen, so I knew she was okay. And come on, guys, this is just too good. Casualties of the job.
Golly.
That's why you always wear safety goggles.
This must be payback because I'm always reminding Trav to wear his glasses.
Hazards of the job, I guess. Oh well.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
Shoo, that's nasty.